Here at University College Hastings by the Sea, you can study animation to a degree level. We have an existing animation course taught by practicing animators and filmmakers that will give you the opportunity to learn a variety of animation techniques to industry standards. In the first year, we start by introducing the principles of animation using traditional hand-drawn techniques on animation paper with light boxes and peg bars, filming these as line tests and editing them into a finished film. This is a wonderful way to experience the way in which early animators developed the keyframe and in-betweening as a technique of animating pose to pose. It will give you the essential practice in squash and stretch, anticipation, overlapping action, cushioning, animating on arcs, keyframing, timing, and secondary action, all of which are important transferable skills that can be applied to animation software applications of today. We begin by equipping our students with the necessary skills on how to approach an animated project from conception to completion. There is a script and storyboard module to embed the important pre- and post-production processes in the completion of an existing animation project. The modules that make up the course include 2D animation software, where you will be taught how to use Animate and After Effects to create a variety of animations from character to SFX. You will learn the art of accurate lip sync so you can animate your characters speaking. You will study a stop frame animation module that will give you the experience in creating models, lighting, and filming them in our photographic studio. There is an animation/live action combination module designed to give you the opportunity to overlay animation into a live action sequence. You will be taught CGI animation techniques in Cinema 4D, which will give you an introduction into designing, building, lighting, and animating in 3D. You will have plenty of time to develop your own ideas and style informed by excellent tuition, demonstrations, and modules that allow you to generate content, such as personal projects and major projects. The second year encourages each student to focus on their own preferred animation technique and make it work in response to briefs that give them a scope of individual interpretation. You will continue to build on what you have learned and hone your skills. We are very proud of the work that our students undertake every year in real-life work experience scenarios. We have been working with St Michael's Hospice to create dynamic, infographic animations to use in their Hastings facility. This is an excellent opportunity to engage with a client and work as a team in the completion of high-standard animated projects with real purpose. An important part of the course is the contextual and historical studies that underpin and inform your own ideas. You will study a vast range of resources that track the evolution of film and animation from their birth to present day. Third year is where you get to conceive a major project that will make up your graduation piece. This will run through the third year and give you free rein to plan, develop, and execute a substantial project that will form the major part of your showreel to propel you into further studies or into employment in the creative media industry. One of the key benefits of studying here at University College Hastings are the small numbers. You can be sure of excellent contact time and exceptional tuition from our experienced members of staff, all of whom on this course are active in the animation and film industry as practitioners. So look no further and join us to begin your animated life of learning.